results.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm Karen Greer. Right now, for the very first time, drive-thru coronavirus testing is available to a broader spectrum of people. And the best part about this, it's free. It's happening right now here in Atlanta. So let's get right to CBS 46's Rebecca Schramm. She's live on the campus of Georgia Tech University. And Rebecca, the governor, making this big announcement this morning that the testing site is now open. We don't want people to bombard them. So what are the rules here?
Well, Karen, yeah, as soon as the governor made that announcement and it started making its way through social media, people started signing up immediately for appointments and then heading this way. This is one of the stopping points right here where they check you and check your ID, that sort of thing. This is a unique partnership between CVS Health and state and federal health officials. And as you're about to see, we found out for ourselves the testing is not just for healthcare workers or people considered to be medically fragile. As soon as the drive-thru clinic opened, Alex Garcia was the first in line for the 9 a.m. slot.
My house, family of four, has been coughing for the past 2 weeks about.
Not far behind him, my colleague, photojournalist Joe Holland, who's also been coughing and had occasional shortness of breath lately. Both had already gone online and their symptoms qualified them for this appointment. Here's how it works. Once you're in line, you show your ID and your confirmation text, and you follow the signs into a secure parking garage on the campus of Georgia Tech.
Testing is by appointment only.
A special radio station even broadcasts directions, making sure you stay in your vehicle and keep your window up until you're told to lower it.
Take the swab.
Take the nasal swab and insert it deeply into each nostril.
The testing that we're using just got an FDA approval about 10 days ago.
Emmanuel Colati is the senior vice president of CVS Health.
The Minute Clinic nurse practitioners and nurses are orchestrating the actual testing where we get the results. A positive test will only take about 5 minutes. A negative might take up to 13 minutes.
My colleague Joe's result? Negative. Same for Alex Garcia, who's glad to know his sickness is not COVID-19.
All that is weighing on our mind, obviously, and everything else that's going on, so I wanted to get here as soon as I could.
So yeah, great news for both of those guys. As for people who test positive, well, they are given extensive instructions, including requirements to self-quarantine. So far, about 500 people have signed up for the drive-thru appointments. They have the capacity here of testing 1,000 people a day. We're live in Midtown. Rebecca Schramm, CBS 46 News.
That's amazing.